Hi to you and welcome to this little tutorial. And the subject of the tutorial is about a wonderful company known as Autodesk. Autodesk is a company, they should be the world leaders in 3D design, engineering, and construction software. They are amazing. They should be the world leaders in graphics design with the help of computing. And they boast in helping people that make the things come true. And they actually do that. They are involved in engineering as well as movie making, graphics designing. They are everywhere and they are just amazing. Even in robotics, they are present. So the purpose for me doing this video is because they are offering a wonderful opportunity to students, because even when you touch their products and experience their products, you understand that these must be very, very expensive things. But they support education by making these products freely available to students. And this is such a wonderful opportunity. If you are a student in any domain, you should want to at least grasp a particular package and learn these things, because this is the future. So I would like to show you guys how to actually take advantage of this wonderful opportunity, how to download the student version of their software, which is actually a fully working professional version, which you have access to free of charge with all of its benefits, right, for 3 full years. So let me show you how to go ahead and grasp this opportunity. Well, the very first thing you want to do is, now we are on the browser. If you can open your Chrome, your Mozilla Firefox, any browser you have, and you want to go to www.autodesk.com. So www.autodesk.com will lead you straight to this page, right? This is their home page, and you want to come to the menu and click on download right here. Okay, and you want to take this free student software option. Okay, so we are waiting for that to load. My internet hasn't been good to me recently. I don't know what's happening. Okay, so that was in passing. um at this level, you can just browse down and you can click on these softwares if these are the ones that interest you, or you can go down. If you don't see your package here, you can scroll down and you have a whole list of softwares here, from A, B to H, I to O, P to Z, all of the packages. Is it possible that a company provides all of these softwares and all of them are as sophisticated one like the other? Is that correct English? Well, it doesn't matter right now. So the software I want to take is RoboStructural Analysis as an example. Okay, if you click on any of the other softwares, the procedure should be just the same. But clicking on RoboStructural Analysis, where does that take me? Good. So at this level, you want to create an account right here. Okay, so if you don't already have one, so you just click on create an account. Yeah, and here you just fill the information as you see it and flow along. So personally, I am right now in Cameroon. uh, I am a student. The institution is a university. Date of birth, okay, I'll just put something. Nobody knows whether it's my true date of birth or not. I'll just put something. Good. And then you go to next. You put your true information there. No need to create something fancy. My name, Guatel, and my last name, Loic. And then I will just use my school email. Hyphen, oh, at Gmail, sorry about that, .com. Okay. Confirm email. You want to type it again to be sure that you have it correct. Okay. The password here is the password I choose to use. So you want to know my password? You want to know my password? The password is okay. Okay. At least one number. I thought I placed the number there. What's that? Okay. So be sure to follow all the criteria of the password that was listed here. Okay, so that's for you to be able to create a strong password. You just click on that, and then they want you to verify your email. So I'll go right to my Gmail account in order to do that. My phone just rang. It should be the email that just read, but I would like to do it on my computer. Come on, guys, let's accelerate. Let's accelerate. Internet, behave, behave, behave. Oh, I said it today that my internet. Oh, okay, okay. So just I should have been playing some music to entertain you a little bit. So at this level, let me just go to my. This is not yet the email. Let me click this the email right here. Okay, let's go, 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 let's go. Good. So here we are. You want to click on the email that was sent, and yeah. So please complete your Autodesk account by confirming your email. So you want to click here on verify email, and it should take you right back to where your mail is verified. So thank you for your interest. Check this box, receive electronic messages, including marketing. I personally would like that. Okay, if you don't like that, then that's your choice. But I would like to receive messages from such a wonderful company. Okay, so let me close this. Oh, that was a mistake. That was a huge mistake. So let me just open it in parallel while the website is loading. Okay, so they say tell us some more, right? You want to complete your registration. So I am from the Catholic University Institute of Boya. Okay, so the area of study, my area of study is architecture and that. Year of enrollment, October 2014. 2000 and what was that? 16. And where is that? When am I graduating? Graduating in 2000 and why is there not more? Okay, from 2020 upwards, I'll graduate in 2023. So ideally, if you want a package, right, that is 3 years and above, they will give you the license will be valid for the time where you will be a student. Okay, so they will give you 3 years if your duration in school is 3 years and above, but it will be lesser if you have a smaller duration that is left in your institution. Okay, so we'll go to next. Come on. Okay, so this is the page that appeared after loading. They said the record doesn't exist in a database. So the Cali University Institute does not exist in a database. What you want to do is to add it to the record. Okay, educational institute. Yes, the city is Boya, Southwest, the state Cameroon. Perfect, and you want to add it. Okay, good. So next. Perfect. So now that is added, your account is set. Okay. So you can just go right ahead and continue. So I hope that means that from now henceforth, any student that comes from Kagi University, I've added their accounts in the database, so they can just go right ahead and take advantage of that. Okay, so what I want to do now, okay, I'm already signed in, so I can now have the software. Okay, so I can come right here and choose what version of the software I want. 2020, 2021. So they give you the most recent version. This is just awesome. It's awesome. So what I want, um what will I take? Okay, I want 2021 operating system. Yeah, Windows 64 bits, and you can see that it's available only for Windows 64 bits. Okay, for those of you who may have Windows 32 bits, I don't even know. I'm not sure. Yeah, for sometimes now softwares have been coming only for 64 bits, so you can still change your operating system. And the language, I want it in English preferably, right? So it's loading the product now, it's loading the link for me to download the software. So these are all the credentials. Okay, the full size to download the setup will be this. Okay, this is the product key I will use, this is the serial number I will use. Okay, and I can install on up to 2 personal devices. Can you imagine? This is so generous, this is so supportive. It is, you guys can't know how much. When you see the amount of work that has been placed in these softwares, you are amazed at how generous these guys can be. So I'll just go right ahead here to install now. Okay. uh Install now. Yes, I accept all the terms and conditions they will place there. I accept, and you just go right here to install. So they will tell you download hasn't started. They're asking you because they say downloader has to be done first. Okay, so let's wait and see. Your file is downloading and this could take a few minutes. Exactly. So Internet Download Manager has taken up the case, okay, to download the file. So what we'll do is that we'll wait for the file to download, and then we'll be right back to complete the installation. Okay, so this process works for any of the other softwares that you may want to choose amongst their products. As a student, you have access to their full package. Okay, this is not yet the full download. Okay, this is the download of their downloader actually. So it's when you open this. Okay, so normally if you don't have Internet Download Manager, the download should be taken care of by your browser. So you will see something appearing here, and when it finishes downloading, you will want to open it. Okay, you just click right there and you open it, and this is the Autodesk downloader. So we'll have to wait for it to download the whole setup and then install, and then we are good to go. So we'll be right back after the downloading process is over. Okay, so it has finished downloading, and now it's in the installation process, right? That has begun. So we are waiting for it to start downloading again. Okay, okay. So we are just watching it. Okay, so at one point it will ask you to confirm that you want to actually install this package. All you need to say, you just need to confirm yes, right? And then it will take you right to this page. Okay, so we'll be right back after the downloading. Right here is finished. Okay, so now we are at this level, and I just went through some information, and I'm sorry, but the license is for 1 year, so forgive that mistake. It's not for 3 years, okay? It is for a year only. Yeah, but a year is still enough time, right? It is still so generous. Good. So this is what happens when it finishes downloading. So at this level, you want to click on install, and wait for a while. Okay, So we'll be back when it's ready to take us to the next step. Okay, great. So this is the next step. You just install. Yeah, and you wait for robot to perform its magic to install everything, and then we'll be right back to put the activation codes, and we'll have our license for a whole year, free of charge, fully operational with all of the features of the professional version. Great. So right now it's finished. Everything has been downloaded and everything has been installed. Okay. So this is the final message and it's good to read. It says the installer files are available at C. Da, 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 da. So you will not need to download this again. Okay. It has been downloaded into your computer. The setup has been downloaded into your computer and you can have access to the full setup right here at this location. Maybe we just go and see that. So if I go to my Explorer, to my file Explorer, and then go to C and Autodesk, right? And right? I can see it right here. Let me try to go to properties. Good. So I think they told us it was 2 point something gig, right? Approximately. Yeah, so uh good. So this is a 2 point something gig that has been fully downloaded. So I have the setup here in my computer. Okay, so that'll give you the path to the setup. Okay. So but is this really the setup? No. Okay, this one is for maintenance, I think so, but this should be the setup, right? Anyway, one of them, okay, one of them is the setup. You can browse and find that these files are required for future maintenance of installed products. Ensure that they remain available either in the current location or backup directory. So you see that you have full interaction with the company itself without having to hide, okay, because many of us are used to cracking these softwares, which is not very recommended somehow, because these are people that have dedicated their lives to give us these beautiful gifts, and they deserve to be rewarded for the work that they've done. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and launch now, okay, to see how this works. Okay, so let's wait for it to open. Oh, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Okay, so I'm launching it because somewhere along the line they are supposed to ask me for all the keys that were given to us in the browser, right? But I'll not take the keys from their website. I'll take the keys from the mail, because I want you guys to be aware that the moment you download the setup, okay, they send you a mail. So maybe while it's opening, let me show you. I'm in my mail now. This is my mail, and you'll see here Autodesk Education, a mail that you will receive from them. Okay, you can click on that mail, and then you see these are the details here, and they are even, I think somewhere they say save and print this email. It's very important for you to save and print it, okay, because it will be useful. So this is it, a 1 year term. You have it for 1 year fully operational, and this is the product key, and this is the serial number, which I'm sure they will soon ask. Okay, the software is still opening. So let's wait for that, and then we'll just insert the data, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so now I'm asked to enter my license, enter a serial, select my license type or enter a serial number, right? So what we have is a serial number. So I'll click there. Okay. Okay, great. So this is what pops up. So we'll just click here on enter product information. Good. and that should pop up. So now we are asked for the serial number. We'll just come right here and we should have serial number right here 901 and then this other number this way. So I'll just copy that. I have 901 and then the other number this way 547L1. Let's just check if it's compatible. 547L1 for the product key. So that's perfect. That's perfect. So we'll just go to next. Okay, and then a copy of your activation information has been saved to that. Okay, so we'll just finish. And we should have Robo fully functional, right? That is it, that is trying to open. And yeah, that's the end of the process. You have your software as a student free of charge as a gift from Autodesk for 1 year. And again, Robo is just one of the softwares. You follow a similar procedure, the same procedure for all of the other softwares. Just select the software that you want, and then you can go right ahead and follow the process. Okay. So I hope that this was very useful to anybody watching. Okay, and see you guys in the series of videos that will be coming up next to train you better in more skills, right? Okay, bye bye.